Okay, so this is topic 3, rewriting equations and formulas. And it says an equation that has two or more variables is called a literal equation. To rewrite a literal equation, solve for one variable in terms of the other variables. So, let's look at what that means. Example 1 says, solve the equation 2y plus 5x equals 6 for y. So we're solving for y. That's the variable we need to isolate or get by itself. We do this just like we would if there was only one variable by following the same rules. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the 5x. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. When you subtract from the left, the plus 5x and minus 5x will cancel each other out, leaving you with just 2y. When you subtract 5x from the right-hand side, you're left with 6 minus 5x. You can't actually do the subtraction because they're unlike terms, so you just leave it, 6 minus 5x. Now you have to divide by 2 on both sides. When you divide by 2 on the left, 2y divided by 2 leaves you with just y, which is good. We've now isolated the variable. When you divide by 2 on the right-hand side, you have to divide the whole side by 2, meaning you're dividing 6 minus 5x by 2. That also means you're dividing each term over there by 2. So 6 divided by 2 leaves you with the 3, and the negative 5x divided by 2 leaves you with negative 5 over 2x. Sometimes we'll use this to rewrite a formula. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2L plus 2W. Solve the formula for the length. So for instance, they might give us the perimeter and give us the width, and we have to solve for the length. So you take P equals 2L plus 2W, and you subtract 2W from both sides. This leaves you with P minus 2W equals 2L. Now you divide both sides by 2, and you're left with, and this time they kept the P minus 2W all together, P minus 2W divided by 2 equals the length. So now you plug in what you know is the perimeter, you plug in what you know is the width, and you can solve for the length of the rectangle. Now try these on your own.